So in terms of like the room that you're in, it's obviously like a full treated studio, and you're getting everyone to just run around in socks to not have their footsteps in loop group.
No, typically we let it all fly, and sometimes we get some moving around. And again, we nickname it Free Foley. It happens, and we have it. And typically that kind of sound, when you turn everything down so much, that's the first thing to disappear. They might also roll off all the highs. The mixer might, before he plays back some of this ADR background stuff, just to make it even more indistinguishable. Because what you really don't want in ADR are specific words kind of accidentally poking out to draw attention away from the main actors delivering their lines, or whatever the feel for the scene is. So we typically live with all that kind of thing. If I'm doing a principal actor and they're delivering an important line, every once in a while I get somebody with a leather shoe that does that, and I have to ask them to take that shoe off, or
Just the one shoe is punishment.
Yeah, it could be that. People wear baseball hats. They have to, because the noise reflects off the bill of the cap. So those have to be either turned around backwards or taken off completely. Jewelry, bracelets, that kind of thing. Starchy shirts. Sometimes you get a lot of so we make them take their collar, their shirt off if it's too noisy. But typically we live with most of those kinds of sounds. It's not too bad.